Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to you a little bit late again, just last week. The reason is that we have been running around from yesterday up until today. Maris is going to tell you why she was running around, dodging bullets, chasing suspects and all that. Let her go into it.
In inverted commas. Goeiemiddag aan almal. Ja, ek het gister 'n heel interessante dag gehad. Kyk gerus op ons voorblad en op bladsy 3. Nou die mense wat altyd kla dat die polisie korrup is en nie hulle werk doen nie, daar is tog nog 'n paar getroue polisiemanne wat toegewyd is, wat 'n verskil wil maak in die samelewing en hulle het gister 4 mense helder oordag by 'n motorvol mall vasgetrek. Ek was daar op die toneel, lees gerus al die besonderhede. Dankie vir die diens wat hulle nog lewer aan die gemeenskap.
So the SAPS is up and about. Talking about the SAPS, last week Friday on the 6th of March along the R24, R510 actually, a couple of people were robbed. The reason why they were robbed is that they were hitchhiking and then an unknown vehicle came by and it picked them up and they got robbed. The point is the R510 is a very dangerous route and the police are giving it too much attention right now because there's armed robbery investigations along the way. The people are being urged to refrain, if possible, from hitchhiking, especially at night.
Yes, on that note, also yesterday while I was on the scene, there were a lot of inquisitive people hanging around and almost getting across the boundary from where they were investigating. I understand that people are curious, but please take care of your personal safety and that of your loved ones first. Asseblief, mense nuuskierigheid is nie jou lewe werd nie. So as mense 'n misdaadtoneel sien of iets doen wat jou eie veiligheid dalk in gedrang bring, wees versigtig, moenie moeilikheid soek waar dit nie is nie.
Asseblief.
Op 'n baie meer positiewe noot, Groot Makiti. Dit was nou die naweek by Saterdag by die Buffelspoort Karnaval. Ek en Cecile was daar gewees. Daar is 'n hele klompie foto's reg deur die koerant van verskillende aktiwiteite, van die musiek, van die kos, van die mense, van die sport, van die roomhuis, van die towenaar, van die karre. So, kan kyk gerus of jy jouself of jou bure dalk daar raak sien. Ons sien klaar weer uit na volgende jaar se karnaval. Dankie vir die Rustenburg Gemeenskapskerk wat dit aangebied het.
And then yesterday in Phokeng, the police in Rustenburg, they held a small ceremony for those cops who got promotions. We saw the police in Sun City getting a new captain there. The police in Koster also getting a new captain there. The full story is on page 6 of this week's edition.
Ja, weer eens dankie aan die polisie. Dis 'n goeie week vir hulle. Dan op bladsy 20 het ek iets nuuts wat ek aan julle wil bekendstel. This is just a short little note that we are going to have in the paper from now on forward. Our most popular post or something in relation to that. Soos ons weet, lewe ons in die era van sosiale media en ons wil net 'n bietjie bewusmaking skep van waarna kyk mense, wat lees mense, wat is vir hulle interessant, waarop lewer hulle kommentaar. So gaan kyk gerus op bladsy 20 hierdie week en vind uit wat was ons gewildste storie van laasweek. Ek gaan nie vir julle sê wat dit is nie, gaan loer. Gaan kry die koerant en vind uit.
And talking about new things, the people in Rustenburg, they do not know that we have a Spotlight on Talent page. We dedicate that page to everyone in Rustenburg, no matter your race, no matter your religion, it doesn't matter. As long as you've got any kind of talent, we will write your story and we will put you on the spot. Now this week we're talking to Onkopotse from Lidach. This is a rising star. He's pictured here with his keyboard, and this guy, he has performed alongside the likes of Freshly Grounds. Let it sink in. Opi Kopi, Double HP. So this guy has gone everywhere. He's been also to Russia. Go and have a look at page 21 and be amazed.
Ja, dis wonderlik om te weet ons is so wyd en suid en so kunstsinnig hier so in die Platina stad. Ons wil julle graag herinner, onthou die Rustenburg Herald is gratis. We are free at your nearest outlet, street corner, supermarket or at our offices. Get a hold of your copy, don't miss out. Ons is elke woensdagmiddag of op die laaste donderdagmiddag is ons beskikbaar. So kry gerus jou hande op hierdie week se Herald.
Thank you very much. We'll see you again same time, same place. And remember, on a note, if they sell it to you, let us know.
Daar sê ons sien julle weer volgende week. Goed gaan.